Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Backpack Business Lifestyle Weekly Coaching Webinar. This should be our final webinar on creating your first membership site from scratch. In the last two webinars, we talked about how to get ideas for your membership site. I covered, the whole membership model, how to get ideas for your membership site, and then the two things that I use to create my membership sites. I use OptimizePress to build all the pages, and I use MemberSonic to protect all the pages. Now, I have a special MemberSonic link where you guys get 50% off. I think I'm one of two people that can offer that. So if you're going to get MemberSonic, and if you're going to run a membership site, I highly recommend that you do, then you definitely need to get this, okay? All right, so tonight we are wrapping things up. We have our membership. Let's do view site. We need to get our, why is this said not found? Let's take a look at all of our pages we have here. So we have member home. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we need to do like a sales page. So I'm going to go to OptimizePress, create new page, and I'm going to create a sales page for this. And I just want to use like a simple sales page. So if we come down through here, I could use the sales page I have. If we go and we look at it, I could use the sales page, no problem. But I want to use, I'm going to use all the graphics and the text and everything off this, just because I want to show you guys how to create your own sales page. All right, so this is thank you pages. Here we go, sales pages. So this has a video on it. So if we go up here and look, it has this video on it. So I need a page that has a video. So we have this one, this one. There's like tons of different ones here. And as I said, OptimizePress. So if we go to OptimizePress, the other night I couldn't get the marketplace to load. Let's see if we can get it to load tonight. So log in. All right, so if we look at all right, come on. Welcome to the marketplace templates. Here we go. Sorry guys, as I was saying before the webinar got started, I'm not feeling 100% tonight, so I may be a little slower than normal. So they have all these different templates. And you can buy these templates. So if you find one you like, you can buy it. But it also comes with a bunch of templates, okay? So I'm just going to go with this one. So we're going to use template. I'm going to call this sales. Or let's call this join. Create page. And now, just like when I created all my membership pages, I can use the live editor and I can create anything I want on this page. I'm basically just going to, of course, I'm not going to use the same format and stuff like that and the same fonts and everything, but I'm basically just going to take all of this and copy and paste it into this page. So if we go back up here to the top, I'm not going to have a countdown timer because I don't need one. So I'm going to do edit. Patty saying hello. Hey, Patty. All right, come on, load. All right, there we go. I don't know that I copied and pasted it from there. All right. Let's try that one more time. So let's do edit. There we go. I was thinking I didn't copy and paste it from Notepad because it kept the formatting from the last page. All right, so if I click insert, you too can become a successful online seller, reduce your graphics costs, and have beautiful graphics done for you. And then, of course, I would have to download this video. I know you can add an element and put in the video, or I could download this video and upload it to YouTube and just put the YouTube code in here. I use Easy Video Suite, which I absolutely love. It's a $300 purchase, but it allows me to upload my videos into it. I can make them any size I want. I can put call outs. I can do all kinds of crazy stuff with them. Put download buttons, share buttons, everything on them. And then it just spits out this code that I can copy and paste into my site. So that's what I would do with the video. And I could, if I wanted to, use this buy button, just download it and upload it to here. So I'm not going to go through and show me building this whole entire sales page because that would just take forever. You guys saw me building my membership pages, so it's basically the same thing, okay? You're just adding whatever copy you create for your sales page to your template, okay? So I'm going to publish, and we're going to do save and close. And then I'm going to go here to, let's see, settings, reading, and I want to set my front page to that sales page. And save changes. So now, when you come to readytogographics.com/monthly, which is going to be the new page, my sales page is what you will see. Now, of course, I haven't done anything with it. I had to put all that content in there, but now my sales page is done, okay? Patty says, was that in the last webinar that I missed? Yeah, we've been building this this is the 3rd week now, Patty. Okay, guys, so if you go to backpackbusinesslifestyle.com, you can see the recordings. All right, guys, so now what we need to do is hook everything up with our payment processor. I'm going to be using JVZoo to do this. I still have to Sonic. So remember Sonic login. I still have to go through the tutorials a little bit when integrating, just so I don't miss steps. So let's go. Sonic Pro plugin. And then if you come down, where's it at? For developers. Where are those? Click here, click here. I thought they were right below this. Here we go, Member Sonic tutorials. Told you guys I'm a little slow tonight. Definitely download the checklist and the quick start guide. Read through them. Have them handy while you're doing this. There's also a bunch of videos here. So workflow and process. This kind of explains everything. Install and activate. Wizard setup tool. Creating another membership level. Cloning. General settings. Redirect pages. General settings. Payment integration. General settings. JVZoo integration.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate MemberSonic Pro with JVZoo. In this example, we're using our WP Opt-in Jam plugin. So we're here on our WP Opt-in Jam.com website, and we've got 3 products that we've created, and each one is sold through JVZoo. So if I log into my JVZoo account, and I go to the products I created, here is WP Opt-in Jam.
All right, so let's go ahead and log into JVZoo. And there's probably some of this I'm not going to be able to do in front of you guys. It's going to ask me for my JVZoo secret key, and I can't reveal that. So let's do sellers dashboard. And if I do, I think I already have, let's do launch, descending. All right, so ready to go graphics. Here it is. I already have this as a product. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one so I can show you guys how to do this. So seller's dashboard. So we're going to add a product. And just for now, I'm going to call this new ready to go graphics.com. Once I have it all totally switched over, then I'll rename it to just ready to go graphics.com. So I'm going to charge $9.95 a month for this. I'll pay 50% commissions. My support email address. Support URL. You can do either or. I always do both. So sales page URL, that's going to be this URL. Thank you page URL. Now, in these tutorials, we're going to see what to do with that. I can't remember.
There's a couple of important things. I'm not going to cover how to create a product on JVZoo. You can certainly go to their website, go to their support website. I'm going to show you the important touch points of where Membersonic needs to tie into JVZoo. So if I scroll down here, we've got our product. This product is complete set and readable technologies. If I scroll down, I'll come to a section here called Thank You Page / This page is the generic thank you page for Membersonic Pro installations. It's the page that was created where all of your customers are going to
Okay, so that means we have to go into Membersonic dashboard. We do general settings. So they're talking about login page, after login page. Okay, I'll have to put my JVZoo secret key in here. That's coming. Okay, so for me, that page is going to be my member home page. So I'm going to grab it. It's this one right here. So we're going to do view, copy link address. There's a 30-day guarantee on this. All right, so now let's go back and continue with this video.
We receive a generic welcome.
Damn it.
And a login form to log into the site. So you need to make sure that you put the correct thank you page in this field. You also want to check this box for past randomized delivery. Over here to the right, we have the JVZ IPN URL. So you need to grab this IPN URL from Membersonic control point. So if we got to
All right, so for me, that's going to be some Membersonic dashboard. And we're going to do affiliate system integration. So this is what I need to put right here. Guys, don't let this scare you. It's step by step. He's showing you exactly what to do, okay? All right, so following along with the video. Just like I just did. All right, I'm going to pause this for a minute. Make sure that when you, before you even create your product, that you go into your autoresponder and create a list for it. I'm going to leave this set as none right now because I can't remember what the name of the list for this is. So let's go back to our video. I think that's it. All I have to do, I have to get my JVZoo secret key, and he shows you how to get that.
Directly on their page, the customer receipt page, as well as being emailed to them through Microsoft. So enter the JVZ IP URL in that field and check the box. That's it. Other than that, make sure your product set up correctly. Click Save Product. Go back to general settings. You have this JVZoo secret key. That secret key is what you create in your JVZoo account. I'll show you how to get that. My account. My account, you'll see JVZ IPN secret key. If you've not already created it, click on the link to create that secret key. And then grab that secret key and paste it in your general settings right here. That's now the final step is for our product. And for this particular product, I'm looking at WP Opt-in Jam Developer. I'm going to click Edit. And you'll see we have enter JVZoo item number. So the item number is the unique product number.
Okay, so that's one last thing I forgot that I have to do. So let's do dashboard. And where is that at? It's different in the video. Step 1 configuration, enter JVZoo. All right, let's see if we can find this. General settings. It's not there. Admin settings, not there. Actions, edit membership. Let's see what this does. Okay, here we go. So affiliate systems, JVZoo. So the JVZoo product ID. If you go back, we're going to go ahead and save this. So save product. Maybe it'll save. Oh, well, what am I doing? Okay, description for buyers. Right now I'm just going to leave it as this. Primary category, internet marketing general. And I think that's it. It is. Save product. Alright, so I'm going to do this order by launch descending. So it'll show, or it should show, the latest product I just did. Seller's dashboard. Let's try that one more time. Launch, descending. Here we go. New ready to go graphics. So the product ID is right here. So I'm going to copy that. And paste that right into here. Click save. And now we should be ready to go. Now I need to go in and get my order button for this product. So actions, buy buttons, I can just grab this one. If I want to use the buy button that's already on my page, you can definitely do that. So let's go join live editor. All right, so let's say I want to just add an order button right here. So we're going to do add element. For this, I'm just going to grab HTML. And I'm going to align it center. So div align equals center. I'm just going to paste that right in there. And click insert. Boom, there's my order button, okay? So now when people come here, they visit my site, they pay, they're automatically going to get their username and password emailed to them. They'll be put into my membership site. And then on the JVZoo page, where they are returned to after they order, their username and password is also listed right there within their JVZoo account, okay? Now, if I want to use, let's say, this order button, we're going to go here. Use your own order button, okay? So this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So copy, I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to take this whole insert your image thing out. And I'm going to copy this, go down to the very bottom of my page, and I'm going to click add element, again, HTML, and I'm just going to copy and paste that whole thing into there. You will not be able to see that, okay, because it's just a clear image. But if I want this order button to be linked, I've got to get this URL right here. You have to copy and paste this whole thing on your page because JVZoo uses these images to leave a cookie in your person's browser so that it's the click is tracked to the appropriate affiliate, okay? I know that's a lot of geek speak, but just trust me, do it this way. All right, link URL, paste that in there, insert. So if we save and continue now, and I go back to this page, you should see that order button pop up right here. So that's just the standard JVZoo order button. And then the order button we just linked is right here. Now, when I was setting this product up, I messed up. So we go sellers dashboard. I made it a one-time purchase of $9.95. That needs to be monthly. So let's go back here. So we're going to edit. And we need to come right here, subscription or multiple payments. So payment period every 1 month. For mine's only for 12 months. 50% commissions on the first payout. I pay 50% commission all the way through. And now we can save product. Alright guys, so at this point, my membership site is totally incomplete. But the bones to everything is here. I've got to go back in, add all of the monthly content to the 12 months of pages that I've created. I've got to finish my sales page, and then I'm ready to start promoting this and making money with it. Now, if you guys have been following along through this whole thing, you know that this has taken quite a bit of work. But what you guys need to remember is build the pages of your membership. So, well, first you got to get an idea for your membership site, okay? Create a couple of months of content for it. Then build the pages of your membership site, okay? Don't worry about protecting it and all that fun stuff. Get everything built first. Then use MemberSonic to come back in and protect everything. And if you don't want to create all your pages at once, that's okay. You can also, I can do add new. So let's say I'm going to put month 13 in here, okay? So I'm going to do, oops, nope. We got to do it through OptimizePress because we are using those templates. So if I go, actually pages, all pages, I can just clone one of those pages because they're all going to look the same. So I can do clone page. Okay, so I'm going to call this one month 13 graphics. Edit this, month 13 graphics. Click OK. Now I'm going to click on WordPress, and right here we're going to protect days to drip. So this would be month 13. This would be day 360. And now I click update, and I just added a new page to this, and it's protected, and it'll be dripped. Okay, that's how easy it is. You don't have to create all 12 months of content. I already had my months of content all created, so I went ahead and created all my pages. Okay, you don't have to do that. You can create your member homepage and your first month of content, and boom, you're ready to go. And then on month 2, create month 2's page. On month 3, create month 3's page, and so on and so forth, okay? All right, guys, so any questions on what I've covered over the last 3 weeks? If you haven't been here the last 3 weeks, you probably have a lot of questions. But go ahead and ask them, and if I've already covered it, I'll just tell you, go watch the video. So are there any questions on anything from getting ideas for your own membership site all the way to creating your membership site? Any questions, guys? I'm going to start closing out some of this stuff. Give you guys just a few more moments for questions. But we are totally at a wrap for this. You guys should now be able to build your own membership site. Patty says, I can't find my membership sites. Are you talking about the email you sent me, Patty? Okay, I will get to that. I'm coming, dear. I can't help you with that during this webinar. All right, George says, how do you add a OTO to the sales page process, and what if the OTO isn't an affiliate product? All right, so you're saying, what if your upsell is a product you're an affiliate for? Well, first off, you can't have an upsell that's something you're an affiliate for if you're running an affiliate program, because it won't track like that, okay? Now, as far as adding the OTO to this, you have to do it how do you add it? Okay. George, I can't remember with MemberSonic. I know in JVZoo, you have to, okay, no, I remember. Okay, so your OTO page, once you create your sales letter for it, you're going to come to, let's go back here, MemberSonic. And general settings. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I think you have to do it when you're doing the wizard. Let's see, PayPal integration. That's the after login page. Admin settings. It's that thank you page where you have to change it to. Okay. Dashboard. All right, let's try this. Let's see. Let's do edit membership. I know it's in here somewhere. Select the thank you OTO page. Here we go. So instead of this being member home, I would set this to whatever my sales page was for my OTO. Now, if you're an affiliate, if you're trying to have a special offer and it be, a product that you're an affiliate for, you would just put your affiliate link on it instead of your own buy button. Make sense? All right, so the JVZoo integration of it. George says, I'm mostly interested in JVZoo integration. All right, so in JVZoo, I would come here, so sellers dashboard. Let's say that the 3K in 30 days workshop is my OTO, okay? I would do sales funnels, and let's do add a sales funnel. And we'll call this ready to go graphics.com. Save sales funnel. So my front end product would be new ready to go graphics. So click add. And then after they purchase, they see, and like I said, let's say that I'm going to use 3K in 30 days as my OTO, okay? So you click add here. Now this is where you're going to have to get your buy buttons. If you don't get your buy buttons from this page when you make a funnel, it will not work. So you got to get your buy buttons from here and put on your sales page for your front end offer, and then your buy buttons from here and put it on your special offer, your upsell. All make sense, George? But you got to hook it up through MemberSonic and through JVZoo for it to all work correctly. All right, let me see if I can delete this sales funnel. But the most important thing to remember is you have to get your buy buttons from here. And Patty says, do you have any great membership funnel ideas? I don't know what you mean. Like, what do you use as the special offer for your membership? That's always going to depend on what your membership is. And Roy's asking about traffic. We'll talk about that in just a second. Yeah, so an upsell to your membership site is just going to depend on the topic of your membership site. I need to do a blog post about ideas for upsells. An upsell is just an upsell. It doesn't matter if it's your membership site, if it's for your regular one-time product. It depends on the product. I can spit out ideas all day long for upsells, but it might not work for your product. All right, guys, any questions about creating your own membership sites? All I'm taking questions for right now. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Did I? Pretty sure this is the one I gave everybody. Nope, that's not it. All right. I haven't given you guys the actual download for this. I will convert to... All right, guys, last call for questions on the whole creating your membership site. All right, so we're going to switch gears now. We're going to take questions about Building your online business. Any questions related to building your online business? Now, Roy has a traffic related question, and we usually don't talk about traffic on the Backpack Business webinars because this is all about building your business, getting up and going with your business. But I'll definitely answer his question on that. All right, John says, would you ever give out a review copy for potential JVZoo affiliates? Absolutely. You're fine, Patty. I totally get it. Mine's not either. I'm just not feeling good. Yeah, John, definitely. If someone, I mean, you don't want to just give it to everybody, but if it's someone that you know can, bring you some sales, absolutely just give them a review copy. All right, so Roy says, what is your favorite method of driving traffic to your offer? Solo ads, FB ads, or my affiliate program? I put a lot of time and effort into my affiliate program, getting affiliates, and they send the best traffic, hands down. Patricia's asking, how do we find affiliates to promote our membership sites? I've covered this about 80,000 times. If you look in your training for the membership sites you've got, Patricia, I go over it in there. Finding affiliates, especially in the IM niche, is really easy. You go to places like JVZoo, ClickBank, or not ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and start looking at people's offers there. Get involved in the launch groups on Facebook. All those are potential affiliates. Start stalking them using my affiliate stalking that I've taught 100 different times too. Get on their radar, get to know them, start forming relationships with them. When you've established some kind of relationship with them, reach out to them and say, hey, I've got this. Would love for you to promote it. What can I do for you? Or, what can we do for me to promote you and you promote me type thing. I've covered this a lot. I'll have to find all the stuff on it. But that's just the short of it. Awesome, Patty. All right, John says affiliate links. Some show affiliate ID in browser address bar, some don't. Any reliable way to see if they are actually using your ID for that page? I kind of know what you're talking about, but if you click on your affiliate link, like tonight, let's see, what did I promote tonight? Let me find. If you guys haven't picked up Arun's, the PLR to the 8 different lead things that he has, you definitely need to. That's what I promoted tonight. It's awesome. I posted about it on Facebook. So if we go to Pretty Link, CB lead magnets. Okay, this is a JVZoo product. So if I go to it, I don't think Arun has the affiliate ID thing turned on. He does not. So notice it doesn't show my affiliate ID. But when I click on...
Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and on behalf of Arun, I would like to welcome you to FlamingCon PLR's latest launch. Now, for those of you who
No quarter buttons. There we go. When I click on this, see this right here? Your information will be provided to the product's vendor upon successful completion of this sell. 43892. That is my affiliate ID. So that shows me that it is tracking properly. John says, I see. Thanks. No problem, dear. Roy says, do you use JV giveaways to build your email list? If so, how effective are they? 10 years ago, I did. That's how I got started with JV giveaways. I haven't done one in about 10 years ago, or in about 10 years, so I can't tell you if they're working or not. Something I definitely want to try again because, wow, they work great. And there's lots of ways to do it. You get 5 different people together, all 5 of you guys giving something away, push people to a page, and everybody puts their download link on the download page, and then in order for the person to get that thing, they have to give up their name and email address. There's some automated programs out there that like automatically add them to, everybody's list. There's all kinds of stuff out there. But it's how I got started with my list. All right, guys, last call for questions, and we're going to wrap it up because I am not feeling good at all here. Thanks, Patty. I appreciate it. And guys, I'm sorry for if you're hearing background noise. Evidently, the people in this house don't know how to be quiet. Roy says, go get your rest, don't sound good. Yeah, I'm getting ready to walk out this door and scream at everybody. All right, guys, have a great night. And remember, as you're going through your week and you're working on your business, if you have questions, write them down, show up to these webinars, ask me questions, and I will help you. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. I'll see everybody next week. Bye, guys.